Hi everyone, welcome to Mama's Nook for another DIY craft video. If you are new to my channel, I invite you to subscribe and click the bell to be notified when I post a new video. Today I'm sharing a creepy centerpiece with faux candles. To make the candles, you will need paper towel and toilet paper rolls, a rock, cardboard, felt, black acrylic paint, hot glue, paper to stuff, and a battery tea light. Now I've made my candles in advance to save time for the video, but I'm going to make one to show you my process. And then to complete the centerpiece, I will be using a plastic plate, some flowers, webs, skeletons, spiders, and a skull. And these are all from Dollar Tree, so this is very cost effective. Let's get going. We'll start by making the candle. So I'm going to take this rock. You can just grab one from outside, or this one happens to be from Dollar Tree. And just glue it onto this piece of cardboard. And glue the toilet paper tube on top of that. Give that a moment to set up. And then just trim. And the rock just helps give it a little bit of weight so it doesn't tip over. And next I'm going to take some paper. You can use tissue paper. I'm using a flyer. And now we're going to paint this. Put on some gloves so my hands don't get covered in black paint. Sorry. Before you paint it, you want to put glue to make it look like your candle is dripping. Let's go all the way around the tube. And let the glue set for a minute or two. We'll prepare our candle. Now I know you can buy black tea lights from Dollar Tree as well, but I only have white ones, so I'm going to cover the top with some black felt. And I just trace the bottom of the tea light to get a template to cut. And then just fold this in half, make a little slit. Fold it in half the other way. And then that will just go over top of the flame like that to cover the white of the candle. Now I would normally wait longer to let the glue dry, but for time, I'm going to go ahead and start painting. And you want to do the inside as well. So then once the paint is dry, you just pop the tea light in the top and your candle is done. Okay, I'm just going to put my plate on top of the turntable so that I can turn it as I'm going. And I'm going to start by putting some web down all over the plate. These are the candles that I have made, and I've excuse me, I have already glued 5 of them together, and I'm going to glue a couple of little skeletons to these. And to set that on here, I'm going to take the main skull and put it in the center. Add 2 more candles. So I decided to get one more skeleton and put it in here. Now I'm going with a purple and black theme. So I have purple flowers, I have purple spiders. And I'm going to put some spiders on the candles. And now I'm just going to take some of these flowers and just place them around. And I'm not gluing any of this because I want to take it back apart. And just some more Halloween embellishment stuff from Dollar Tree. This was in some of the flowers. And all that's left to do is pop in our tea lights. So I'm going to put the felt piece over top of the flame. Turn it on. And you have a candle centerpiece. I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, please give it a like. I would really appreciate your support. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time, bye for now.